In this intriguing clip from 2018, a startling incident unfolds as a Ring doorbell camera captures the unexpected appearance of a woman in a perplexing predicament. The footage shows the woman, dressed only in a shirt, approaching a house in the middle of the night. However, what makes this encounter truly bewildering is the sight of her being completely shackled, with no shoes or pants. The haunting image of her ringing the doorbell camera raises numerous questions about her situation and the events leading up to this mysterious encounter. The clip sparked intense speculation and curiosity among viewers, who were left wondering about the woman's well-being and the circumstances surrounding her peculiar appearance. Many speculated that she might have been a victim of a crime or involved in a harrowing incident. Thankfully, I have answers for you this time around. In this clip, we witness a disturbing act unfold at the front of a house. A masked man approaches a property under the cover of darkness, his intentions shrouded in mystery. With calculated steps, he proceeds to break a pride sign that he's carrying in his hands. The destruction of the sign raises questions about the motive behind this act. Was it an act of intolerance or a deliberate attempt to incite fear and distress? The significance of the pride sign and the symbolism it represents amplifies the impact of this incident. In this intriguing clip, we observe a perplexing situation as a random man approaches a house with uncertain intentions. His behavior raises questions about his state of mind, as he displays signs of intoxication or influence from substances. With unsteady steps and disoriented movements, the man attempts to enter a house that clearly does not belong to him. His actions, seemingly fueled by altered consciousness, create a sense of unease and confusion. In this puzzling clip, we are confronted with a perplexing situation involving two individuals who appear to be under the influence of substances. Their erratic behavior and incoherent ramblings center around a mistaken belief that the homeowner's daughter has possession of their car. Despite the homeowner's repeated attempts to clarify the misunderstanding and assert that they have the wrong address, the intoxicated men persist in their delusion. Their slurred speech, disoriented movements, and apparent confusion indicate a state of altered consciousness. It is evident that their impaired judgment and impaired cognitive function are influencing their distorted perception of reality.
Hey, your daughter got my car. So your daughter bring her my car, man. Come on.
Hello, can I help you?
Hey, yeah, your daughter, they got, my homeboy's car. She got my homeboy's car. It is my car. I need my car back. You try to come here and get my back.
My daughter, I think you're at the wrong address.
They already called. They already told me that she has my car. Just tell her to come here, give us our car, and everything will be alright. I'm sorry that that's her boyfriend. He went to jail. She got our...
In this clip, we witness the amusing and slightly chaotic moments when two men, one notably more intoxicated than the other, attempt to enter their shared house. The comedic dynamic between the two individuals becomes evident as the less intoxicated man tries to assist his heavily inebriated companion. In the first instance, the more drunk man struggles to maintain his balance, stumbling and fumbling with the keys as he attempts to unlock the door. His movements are unsteady and his speech slurred, showcasing the effects of his intoxication. The second man, though also under the influence, appears more coherent and tries to guide and support his friend through the process.
It's better than you love to teach you, but I have to charge. Dun 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 dun. I want to think about book. You're locked. Don't beep at me. Want to see my trick? Kame. crying. Leave me alone. That's fucking funny. Oh, seriously, man. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, you dropped your bud. I can't find the fucking hole. You gotta put hair around it. Thanks for being you. Hey? Thanks for being you. You're welcome. Come on, bud. Haha. Wait, where'd it go? What? How's it? What the fuck? What did you do? How did you cast?
In this amusing clip, we find ourselves witnessing a comical case of mistaken identity. A man, seemingly lost, approaches a house with the intention of entering. However, as the homeowner approaches the door, the man's facial expression quickly changes, and he realizes his error. It becomes evident that he has targeted the wrong house entirely.
This is not the right house. Holy shit. God damn it. Sorry, man, wrong house. What? I'm trying to go over here. Carlos, sorry, man. Oh. So sorry, dude.